alright, it's alright, I got this. I'm a pancake connoisseur.
What's good, people? Welcome to Plant-Based Leon. I'm Leon, and today we're looking to find the best vegan pancake recipe. So I've conjured up three... Calm down. No. We already spoke about this. There's no talking when I'm talking. If I'm talking, you be quiet. If you talk, I'll be quiet. It's called respect. Anyway. Before I was vegan, I used to eat pancakes a lot growing up. Me and my sibling, we used to, anytime the parents were in the house, it was pancakes. Pancakes were just on, yeah? It's like we see the car drive off, we're like, yeah, see you later, bye. Since going vegan, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't really like vegan pancakes like that, so I don't really cook them. Yeah, I maybe had one or two that I liked a lot, but not really been a big vegan pancake fan. So all that's gonna change today. I'm looking for the perfect vegan pancake recipe, and I won't rest until I find it, or maybe I will, because maybe I'll never find it. There's a lot of work involved in these pancakes, as you will soon see. There's a reason why. With no further ado, let's get straight into this pancake video. But before that, we need to go to Aldi, because here's my 3 pancake recipes. However, I know we're not gonna get through 3 full pancake mixture recipes. I don't know why that was such a mouthful, but anyway, if there's 1 tablespoon of baking fat powder, I'm gonna have to use 1/3 of a tablespoon. Ow! So these are the 3 different pancake mixtures that it took way longer than it should have done to make. Place your bets. Which one do you think will come out the best? I'll leave a link in the description for each one of these pancake recipes so you can make it yourself at home. Whoa! So we've got 3 pancakes, each made with a different recipe. It's taste test time. I like my pancakes with a bit of lemon and sugar, so. Cheers. That's good. I'm rating that, probably give that an 8 out of 10. Next. This was the thinner one. This one reminded me more like a crepe. As you can see, a bit thinner, yeah? A bit more of a floppy. This is our kind of pancake. This is what we like our pancakes to be like. Cheers. I've been making my pancakes with oats and all this rubbish, and these recipes existed all this time. This, 9 out of 10. This is good, and it's so simple. You know, I kind of had a sneaky suspicion that 2 would come out the best, and I've not tried 3 yet. I've tried pancakes with banana as well, and every single time I've been disappointed. So if this is nice, yeah, then I'm sorry, it's fixed. Here's 3. Oh, that's good. I could have another bite of that right now.
Well, you're not, so let's go on to 3.
Out of all 3 of the pancakes, this one wanted to stick to the pan more. Just bear that in mind. Cheers. This is nice, but there is a constant taste of banana in the back. So if you don't want to taste banana in your pancakes, you're probably not really gonna like that one that much. I'll probably rate that a 5. I hope this little mini taste test helps you out on pancake day. Go for 2. Let me tell you, look, this is great, but this was just so easy to make. And trust me, you're talking to someone who made all 3 of these and then divided all the recipes by 3. That's long, yeah? When I saw the recipe for this, I was like, yes, an easy one, yeah? When I was doing all the calculations and all that. So I'll leave all the recipes in the description and all that stuff, but for now, I'll catch you later.